Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to tint Dodge Ram windows. Start by laying out all tools and materials on a clean surface and clear the truck doors of loose items. Clean each glass panel thoroughly with glass cleaner and microfiber towels until no streaks remain. Inspect glass for chips or cracks that could ruin the tint. Measure each window carefully and label the pieces before cutting to avoid mistakes. Measure each window precisely and transfer those dimensions to the tint film, adding a small margin for trimming. Use a straight edge and sharp utility knife to cut the film while keeping it flat to prevent warping or stretching. Keep your workspace dust-free and handle film by the edges to avoid fingerprints. Label each cut piece so you know which door it belongs to and set them aside in order for application. Start by thoroughly wetting the glass with a slip solution so the film can be repositioned easily. Peel the film backing slowly and position the adhesive side to the wet glass, aligning edges carefully. Use a felt squeegee to remove water and air bubbles, working from center outward with firm, even strokes. Trim excess film with a sharp blade, then use a heat gun on low to shrink and seal curves gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.